I don't have to listen to you. You're not my mom. Jake isn't scared of anyone. I really like that about him. Never listen to adults, Tom. They don't understand kids like us. Why did you kick that at me? Say sorry right now. Push him again, Tom. Don't just stand there now. Okay, fine, I'm doing it. Nothing's happening. Why does everyone keep asking me questions? You never understand me. This house understands anything. I'll just take what I really need. Nothing else matters. I don't need my family. I can do this myself. Let's just go to another city. Nobody will find us there. Go! I'll catch the next train right behind you. Jake, where are you? This isn't even funny anymore. I don't know what to do. I'm completely lost here.
Tom, finish your breakfast quickly. You can't be late again.
Keep this old charger card in your bag, just in case.
Mom, did you hear that? A boy went missing somewhere.
School is so boring. I wish something exciting would happen. You're Tom, right? I'm Jake. I just started here today. I don't have to listen to you. You're not my mom. Jake isn't scared of anyone. I really like that about him.
Tom, be careful with him. Something doesn't feel right to me.
I'll catch up with you later, Lily. Jake's waiting for me. Watch this. It's funny when you laugh at the new kid. Rules are boring, Tom. The best kids always break a few. I should probably do my homework, but I'll do it tomorrow. This mark is really bad. I didn't even study at all.
Tom, I've warned you twice already. This needs to change soon.
Never listen to adults, Tom. They don't understand kids like us. Maybe Jake is right. Maybe I really don't need anyone's help. Why did you kick that at me? Say sorry right now. Yeah, you should say sorry. Jake's my friend, you know. Push him again, Tom. Don't just stand there now. Okay, fine, I'm doing it. Jake, wait! Where are you going? Don't leave me here.
Tom, come with me right now. We need to talk. The school called. Something happened with Tom today.
I'll come with you. Let's go, now.
I really hope Dad isn't too angry about this today.
Tom, what happened here? Are you completely all right?
I'm fine, Dad. I'm really
We'll talk about this properly once we get home. Let's see how Tom's report card looks this term.
These marks are so much lower than last term.
Tom, can you tell me what's been happening at school?
Nothing's happening! Why does everyone keep asking me questions? You never understand me! This house understands anything! I'll just take what I really need. Nothing else matters. I'm leaving. Please don't try to look for me. Just a little further. Nobody's gonna hear me leave. I don't need my family. I can do this myself. What are you doing here this late? Are you serious? My parents will never let you stay here tonight, Tom. Let's just go to another city. Nobody will find us there. Wait, slow down. I can't run this fast with my bag.
Tom's bed is empty. Amy, come and look at this.
I have just enough money for one ticket only.
I've called Jake's house. Nobody is answering the phone there.
Go! I'll catch the next train right behind you.
This pocket doesn't look like our town at all anymore.
Jake, where are you? This isn't even funny anymore. No, please don't die now. Please, not now. I want to go home. I really want to go home. I don't know what to do. I'm completely lost here.
Hey, are you okay? You don't have to be alone.
Your jacket has so many holes. Aren't you freezing right now?
Are you hungry? You look like you haven't eaten yet.
Yes. I haven't eaten anything since this morning, actually.
Here, take this. It's not much, but it's something. You don't even know me. Why would you do this? Where are your mom and dad? Are they close by? My parents are gone. They've been gone a while now.
I sleep wherever I can, sometimes here, sometimes a shed. I have a home, a real bed. I never even think about it. I miss my mom's cooking. I miss everything about home now. Follow me. I know a dry place near here. We can flatten these boxes. They work as a bed. It's so cold in here. How do you do this every night?
I can't sleep at all. I keep thinking about home.
I want my mom. I really, really want to go home.
Here, take this. Buy yourself something warm to eat.
We can finally get something to eat. This feels amazing.
That money's mine now. You shouldn't have shown it.
Stop! Please give that back. We really need it. He's gone completely. There's no point chasing him further. Nothing is working at all. We have absolutely nothing left.
You two look lost. What's actually going on here? Don't worry, you're not in any trouble at all.
I ran away from home. I really want to go back now.
Let's get your full name, then we'll find your parents. What's your full name, please? I need it exactly. Watson?
Huh?
Your parents have been searching everywhere for you. We'll search every street near this station. Stay close together.
Please check your records again. Our son might be there.
Please share this photo with every officer here today.
Have you seen my brother? He's only 6 years old.
What if we don't find him before tonight, Amy?
I just want my brother back home safely now.
It's the police. Amy, they're calling right now. Look. You found him? He's safe? Tell me he's really safe.
Drive faster, Ben. I need to see him right now.
What if my dad is really, really angry with me? It'll be okay. They're coming because they love you. Stay close to me, Michael. Please don't go anywhere yet. Here they come. I really hope they still love me.
Tom! Tom, you're safe! I can't believe you're really safe!
I was so scared. Please never do that again.
I missed you so much, Tom. Don't ever leave again.
I'm sorry, Dad. I'm really, truly sorry for everything.
We only ever wanted to help you, Tom. That's all.
Jake told me adults never understand kids like us.
Everyone makes mistakes sometimes, Tom. You just have to learn.
Thank you for helping him. You're a very brave boy.
Michael, do you have anywhere safe to stay tonight?
We'd like to help this boy properly, through the right people.
This is for you, Michael. You can keep it.
Michael, you have to try this flavor. It's the best one.
If you enjoyed this story, please subscribe and leave a comment.
We read every single one. It truly means so much.